Well, hello, everybody. Once again, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, we're located right here in the Houston, Texas area. We're actually in Porter, Texas, just north of the Humble Kingwood area, right off of 59 and the North Park exit. Just cut on over to Loop 494, hang a left, and we're right down on the left-hand side. And of course, for all of you not in the Houston area, don't forget, we always ship anywhere in the United States and Canada. So if we can help you with your pressure washing or your soft washing business, or both, feel free to reach out. You can call or text us at 281-612-1223, or you can email us at info@DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, just a quick reminder, our next hands-on training school is this Saturday, April 11th. Again, that's this Saturday, April 11th, right here in Houston, Texas with myself, or in Valdosta, Georgia with Judd West. If you'd like to get registered, signed up, or you need more information about our training, like our brand new school community built for not only learning, but also networking with fellow contractors that are starting a pressure washing business just like you. Hey, maybe you'd like to take advantage of our point training. That's our personalized on-site individual next level training. That's where we can come to you at a job site, or we can take you out on one of our job sites if it fits the job site. Or we've also got our virtual training. So no matter how you'd like to get trained and learn this business, either on screen or on scene, I've got you covered. Just go to PressureWashingSchool.com. All the information is right there. You can also fill out the contact form there, or if you have any questions, you can email me at learn@PressureWashingSchool.com. All right, guys, so this is pretty much, no, this isn't the old handle. This is the old handle bars and stuff for the Whisper Wash. This is on the little big guy, but it'd be the same thing for the big guy. But this is formerly used to have like a trigger gun here that you would pull. And so Ramondo found some parts, and we were able to delete the handle gun, so we don't have to keep the trigger pulled all the time, and we just operate it with our ball valve setup. Put it in here, turn it on and off with that. And then of course we have our surface cleaner pressure regulator on here as well. And this worked great. Ramondo found these parts, I believe, off of Amazon. Some of the parts we had, the rest he found. But because it was kind of going like this, we had to do kind of a 90 or 45 or however. We've had a couple different setups like this that we've tried. It made it a little wompy, a little unstable or whatever, but it worked great. But we just didn't have kind of that straight through shot. And so Whisper Wash now has a one-piece handle that you can get for both the big guy and the little big guy. It'd be the same one. I personally like the little big guy because it's a little bit smaller, and I just don't like the weight and how big it is when I have to load it in and out of a truck or a trailer. So this was kind of the old setup that we have, and we've got some pictures and video of that as well that we'll throw up. But we switched to the new handle, so I wanted to show you that. All right. Okay, so this is the new handle, and it has kind of a V shape up here, so it's very nice and comfortable to hold here. We have the same, pretty much did the same thing here. You could use your old Whisper Wash trigger if you wanted to, but again, we delete it because we just don't have the need for the gun. We just have our ball valve setup that would go in here, and of course our hose will be coming off of here, and we just turn it on and off with the ball valve. We've got the swivel here so the hose still gets managed and that type of thing. And then we also have the surface cleaner pressure regulator, which is really nice. It's right here. I can actually see it better. And just love this setup. We have the 3/8 hose going down to the swivel, and we can, of course, regulate our pressure anywhere from right about 2,800, 3,000 psi, all the way down to whatever we need to. So that's the new handle. It's a V shape. I like that. It's very stable, very strong, feels really good, easy to handle, and it's very easy to connect. Again, the surface pressure regulator that we sell if you wanted to add that on there. So highly recommend this. I think these run about 200 bucks. Again, they're all one piece. We can order these for you. It's not something we ordinarily keep in stock, but I may go ahead and get a couple and just keep them here in case guys want to have them. So next, let me show you a little bit about the surface cleaners that I use, why I use them, where I use them, when I use them, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so in the surface cleaners, this is what I have and this is what I use. There's like 4 different ones, 3 different ones, whatever. I have 2 of the Whisper Wash 24-inch little big guys. I've had these for quite a few years. And the reason I have 2 of them is we actually have a couple of bracket things Edwin and Raimondo came up with where we can remove a tire and we can combine these 2 and have 48 inches of surface cleaning. The reason I did that is I just found that I don't always have the need for a 48-inch surface cleaner. I would rather have a backup 24-inch in case I ever need a backup to it. And so that's kind of why I have the 2, because I have the ability to be able to combine them and get 48 inches of surface cleaning. It would look kind of like this, but the one tire is removed so that we don't get a line in the middle. So there's no, there's no it overlaps really well and doesn't create a line. So, and of course on both of them we have the Mossmatic, it's called the Mossmatic swivel conversion kit. And so we have that on there. And then on this one, I have a filter right there as well. And so you can see we've got the old handle there versus the new handle over here. And this one we're going to change here pretty soon. But both mine and Raimondo's have been changed to the new one. So the Whisper Wash, to get into why I use what I use, why I have all these surface cleaners. The Whisper Wash I use on our maintenance cleanings, things that are not really, really dirty. And the reason I do that is because it's lighter weight, easier to maneuver, that type of thing. The Steel Eagle, which is my favorite of any surface cleaner I've ever owned. This is what I use for really dirty concrete initial cleanings. It's just the best surface cleaner as far as cleaning I've ever had. It's got a 3 nozzle bar on the bottom. I've had this thing for quite a few years and have never had an issue with the swivel. Last week I had a little pinhole leak in the whip hose that was right up here. And as a matter of fact, I ran that thing, I don't know, 4 or 5 jobs noticing it, kept saying I needed to change it. And finally, I told Raimondo last week, hey, change this hose on my surface cleaner. So he changed it, put a 90-degree fitting on the swivel for me to keep everything low. But that's why I have the Steel Eagle. It's the best cleaning surface cleaner that I've ever used. It's a little bit more expensive than the Whisper Wash and some other brands out there. But man, it is a good surface cleaner. And so that's why I have that one. And then over here, we have a couple of the A+ surface cleaners. Use these for the school, for guys to practice on out there. They're also great surface cleaners, especially for the price. We've had guys that use these for cleaning parking lots, even parking garages. They require 1/8 inch threaded nozzles as opposed to the 1/4 inch. But I use this 21 inch right here. I use it on my 4 gallon per minute machine or That's my 4 gallon per minute machine right there. Or my 5 gallon per minute machine, which is over there on my trailer rig. So that's why I use that one. And then we also have the 24-inch available if we ever need it. I like these okay if they're for residential, not a whole, I wouldn't use them on a big parking lot or anything like that. That's why I like the U-handle shapes, because I don't have to walk around holding this thing up, wearing my shoulders out, all that kind of stuff. I'm an old man, so a lot of you younger guys can probably deal with that, but not me. I remember the first ever job Raimondo did for me was cleaning a big bank parking lot, and he had one of those type. And boy, his shoulders were killing him. And once I showed him these and let him use one of mine, he was like, I want one of those. I got to have one. So that's what these are for. These are for, I'll use these a lot of times on a little residential stuff or smaller jobs, especially mainly the 21-incher. The 24-inch, I've used it out on a church parking lot before. Did great. And a lot of guys that do parking lots and bigger jobs swear by this 24-inch. I just wouldn't use these simply because of the handle. I don't want to have to hold the handle up. That's all. That's the only reason. I'd rather use a U-handle to where I'm just kind of, it's almost like pushing a self-propelled lawnmower where you just kind of guide it along as opposed to having to hold those handles up. I guess you could call it similar to the Whisper Wash, not the Mondo. What's that other one? They've got one where the handles are up. It's basically the same deck as this, but it's just the handles like that. So anyway, that's what I have in surface cleaners. That's when I use them, why I use them, but it's mainly Whisper Wash on maintenance accounts and stuff that's not really, really dirty. I just found the Steel Eagle cleans much better if it's really, really dirty concrete, and that's why I use what I use.
Real quick, one thing I like about Project to Payments is they actually listen. I've been helping design features specifically for pressure washing businesses, and it shows. If you want software that works the way we work, grab 3 months for free at project2payment.com/Doug Rucker.
All right, so we also carry the BE. These are very popular, great surface cleaners as well. We have these in the 20-inch in both the casters as well as the floater. And so we've got those, the BE models. We can also get you the 24-inch and the 30-inch models as well. And then we also have this in the 16-inch, which is also very popular, especially for the 4 gallon per minute. And even some guys are using it on the 5 gallon per minute. Just have to adjust your nozzles a little bit. So we've got the BE surface cleaners as well. And then I want to show you something else out here in the warehouse. So for just about every surface cleaner that we sell the replacement parts, whether it be whip hoses, bars. We also have the new Whisper Wash bars in both the 2 nozzle as well as the 4 nozzle straights, and also the new 4 ways that they have for the classics and the little big guys, and that other surface cleaner that I can't remember the name of it. It's because I don't use it. We also have the tornado bars as well. We've got tires for the Whisper Wash. We've got guns for all the brands we carry. We have swivels for all of the brands that we carry, as well as spray arm bars. The only swivel that I do not carry is the Steel Eagle. And that's because I've never had anybody that's purchased one of those have to replace the swivel, myself included. And so until I have a customer that needs one, I just haven't stocked it yet. It's like I said, it's the best surface cleaner that I've ever used, and lasts the longest as well. And then right over there, up here, Do a little quick walkthrough. There's a king slinger and a pallet skid. Just got our Fierce Jet hoses in. Those are the four models. The four nozzle models that are spread out, the new ones for Whisper Wash. We've got a couple of skirts up there, a couple of the brushes, whatever you want to call them. So we have those as well. 19-inch two-tip, 24-inch two-tip, 28-inch two-tips, 28-inch four nozzle bars, all of those. It's the Ground Force. That's the name of it. Gosh, I couldn't remember it. But that was the other Whisper Wash I was telling you about earlier. And these bars will fit that, the 28 and the 24-inch. That deck on that Ground Force is basically the same thing as on the big guy, the little big guy. It's 24-inch deck. So great little unit. I just don't like it because it's got the handles that you have to hold up. So that's pretty much it on the surface cleaners. I know I've rambled on a little bit. Sorry about that. But yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them down below. And I'll get ready to close this thing out for you guys. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like. Hit the bell so you get notifications of when videos come out. And leave a comment or a question. Again, thanks for watching. And I hope you have a very, very blessed day.